Do you like coconut? How about some coconut bread?
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. First thing you're going to do is put 2 cups of flaked or shredded coconut. I'm using sweetened. 1 3/4 cups of milk. Stir it and let it sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes or so, just to help rehydrate the coconut a little bit. Now in another bowl, you'll put 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 1/3 cups of white sugar. Give that a stir until that's combined, and then pour that into your coconut milk and give it a stir. And it says to stir until its ingredients are barely moistened. So just stir until you can't see any more dry mixture in there. And then pour this into a loaf pan that's been greased. Then you'll bake it at 350 degrees for 65 to 70 minutes. It does take a long time until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once it's out of the oven, let it sit for about 10 minutes and then pop it out of the loaf pan and then continue to allow it to cool at room temperature until it's cooled completely before you slice it up. This is an interesting one. It's not a spectacularly amazing kind of bread. It has kind of the flavor and texture of like a coffee cake, and it does have the coconut flavor to it. Not the best thing I've ever made, not the worst thing I've ever made. It's quite good, sliced with some butter and a cup of tea. Simple, but okay. I am married to someone who loves coconut, so I do make a lot of coconut desserts. Here are a few in a coconut stuff playlist if you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching.